Let's take a look at the Essay 3 Free Response Argument rubric. At this point, this rubric should be very familiar to you because it follows the same structure as the synthesis and rhetorical analysis. You can earn points for your thesis, 1 point, up to 4 points for evidence and commentary, and 1 point for sophistication. Because the prompt is a little bit different in that you are supplying your own evidence, some of it's going to look a little bit different. Some of the details are a little bit different, but for the most part, it's the same thing because good writing is good writing. For example, in order to earn your thesis point, you need to answer the prompt and you need to create a defensible position. Whatever that subject is, the sample rubric or sample prompt that you looked at previously was about the buy nothing day. As long as you respond to the buy nothing day in a way that is defensible, so you're saying it's a good thing, it's a bad thing, it's good, but it's bad, but then you are going to earn that thesis point. For evidence and commentary, again, your goal is to earn a 4 or higher. So you would like to earn a 3 or 4 for evidence and commentary. You provide specific evidence to support all of your claims in your line of reasoning. If you give two main reasons to support your opinion, that means you need to give evidence for both of those main points. You can't just have evidence in one and mention the other in passing and get a 3 for your evidence. For your commentary, you explain how some of the evidence supports the line of reasoning. So you may just mention a couple of things and then explain another piece of evidence in great detail. That would be considered a 3. In order to get a 4, the evidence is the same. The difference is the commentary. You consistently explain how the evidence supports the line of reasoning. In other words, if you provide 4 pieces of evidence, you explain exactly why all 4 of those pieces of evidence matter, how those 4 pieces of evidence support your claim. That is your goal. 1 point for thesis, at least 3 points for evidence and commentary. As stated previously, the sophistication point is very difficult to get. However, I will say that it is slightly easier to get on this particular essay because of the demonstration of sophistication of thought. It is possible, because of the way the prompt is structured, that you can craft a very nuanced argument. It's not just yes or no, good or bad. You can delve into the different aspects and create a more sophisticated argument. You also may be able to place this argument into a broader context, explore that rhetorical situation in more detail, and provide a very different view on this prompt or a very different approach to this prompt. Does that mean it's easy and you will automatically get your sophistication point? No. I just would say that it is slightly easier. But remember, if you don't get your sophistication point, that's fine. In order to earn quote unquote passing credit, you need to have at least a 4, a thesis, and 3 points for evidence and commentary. If you get the sophistication point, that is the extra cookie that you got for dessert. It is the bonus $20 bill you found in the pocket of a pair of jeans. This is a gift. Don't worry about it. If you get it, fabulous. If you don't, that's fine too, because it's not necessary in order to write a successful essay. A thesis that answers the prompt in a defensible way, evidence and commentary that is fully developed and ties to the claim, that is what will lead you to a successful essay. And that is the Essay 3 Free Response Argument rubric.